Hello everybody, in today's video we are doing 25 different ways to smash the two squishy monkeys.
So, Hunter will be using the brown one. I will be using the scary one because it has red eyes.
And also thank you guys for 20 subscribers. Today we are at our camp for a special video. So let's get into it now. Number 1. Original, just slamming it off the ground.
Ooh. That sounded like it hurt.
One more time.
Oh, that's it.
Okay.
Ooh.
Not good damage. On to the next one.
Hello, guys. This number 2 is bounce back to reality.
Yeah, let's go.
Bounce back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity.
That's not good. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, guys, this is number 3. I call this one sniping the Gatorade bottle.
Let's see. Ooh, let's see the after results. Ooh.
Oh, this one looks bad. Look at his little feet. All right, on to the next one.
Okay, guys,
Number 4. Off the wall.
No, off the door.
Off the door, same thing.
Let's see.
Oh, on to the next one. Okay, I call this one the up and down. Finn, don't catch it. Let it just slam on the ground. Okay. Let's get a good view on this. Well, sort of.
Ooh.
Okay. Oh. Okay, let's see this one getting the light.
Let me see the after results.
Not good.
Ooh.
Okay, on to the next one.
Wait. If you're wondering how to make it normal again, just shake it in your hands. Goes right back to normal.
Okay, on to the next one.
I call this off the corner. Number 6. Ooh.
That one looked bad. Oh.
Ooh.
That does not look good.
Look at his little feet.
Yeah, on to the next one. Okay, guys, number 7, right? Mid-air collision, toss it up. Oh, I missed.
Oh my
We'll have to redo. Okay, guys, we're back. Go. Oh, I don't know if you guys saw, but they sniped and then it hit Finn in the face. Let's see the aftermath.
Guys, this looks normal, but this not so much. Anyways,
on to the next one.
8.
Okay, guys, number 8. Call this one punting it off the wall. I'll make sure.
We can't see.
Here, move over. Okay.
Oh, that has to be bad. Let's see the after results.
This does not look too good. It's like a divot in his stomach. I don't know if you guys can see.
Oh.
Okay, on to the next one. Okay, guys, number 9, right? Thrown down the stairs.
Yep.
Let's go.
I call this thrown it down the stairs.
Oh, it's too dark. We'll get a review now. Oh, this one looks bad. Look at it. Okay, on to the next one. Okay, guys, I call this one dodgy. Okay. No, didn't work.
Oh,
Didn't work.
I don't think it's going. Oh.
Maybe the other way around.
Oh, it did!
Wait.
It worked!
Hey!
Let's check that. The black one, it looks like a pancake.
And then this one is deformed.
Yeah.
Okay, on to the next one.
Hello, guys, and this is number 11. Out the door and on the floor.
Okay, go. Off the other door, too. Here, come on. Let's see the review. Review the damage. Whoa, pretty bad. Okay, on to number 12.
What do you mean it's pretty bad?
On to number 12. Okay, such a lovely day. Now,
Next, the after is on. They just look thin.
Here.
That wasn't really that good.
That's fine. Okay,
Wait, but
on
hold
to
up,
number 13. Okay,
Okay, guys, number 13 is the Upward Book Smash.
go.
Ugh. This, the next,
That's
like,
bad.
broken. Like this. And this, it just.
On to number 14. Okay, guys, on to 14. Underhand toss then. The punch.
Oh, let's check the after results. Oh,
Oh, wait, to make it more broke, this is also number 15. The step on it.
oh. Now it just looks like a
for sure
pancake.
dead. Pancake. Oh, and number 16, skimmed across the ground.
Oh. Let's check. Well, we can't really see, but here's a better view.
It's pretty bad. Okay, on to number 17.
Okay, guys. This is number 17. I call it pillow fight. Hold up, hold up. We're not done. Hold up.
Okay, let's see the aftermath. Okay, this is the aftermath. Oh, it's flat. Okay, on to the next
Look
one.
at his neck now.
Yeah, on to the next one. Okay, guys, I got this one. Off-brand Michael Jackson. Let's go. Okay, that's enough. Okay, let's see. Set it on the table. Set it on the table. Set it.
Wait,
Oh, it's not terrible.
wait, hold up. Oh, I shaked it a little. It was like this.
Set down.
It was like this. Like twisted.
Oh, that's not
It's
good.
like twisted.
Okay, that was number 18. On to number 19. Okay, guys, I call this one the high ground. Let's go.
I call this the high ground. From the ground.
Oh, let's get Rebooth. Pretty bad, pretty bad, pretty bad, pretty bad.
And the second.
Okay.
It's bolted.
Okay, on to the next one. Thank you all for watching.
Sadly, we couldn't do 25. We'll film a part 2, which is only 5. So, yeah.
Maybe we might film part 2. Actually, pause it then. Okay, guys, thank you all for watching. 20 ways to smash Among Us. See you next time.
Yeah!
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.